Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TK Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, I have got two parcel today. This both has came from Madhya Pradesh. So he's also my one of my YouTube customer. He saw my video on YouTube channel and he sent this for repair. Okay, so let's open this one. So guys, this is the power supply for you know uh, date is wash light. It's using the light. It's the light DAGE. This is the power supply for that one. See, this is the problem. 550 watt power supply. SMPS board. It has two output, 12 volt output and 36 volt. Can say 32 volt DC, 32 volt and 12 volt. So there are two output in this. So he sent this for repair, and let's see another one. So this is also same, both same 550 watt. This is DH wash light. Okay, so these are the high ampere SMPS power supply module. So let's check what is the issue in this. Okay guys, just one by one we'll repair it. So we will repair what is the issue in this. He told me there is a problem, the power is not getting on, so we'll check. So guys, first we'll just remove all this screw, this one, this. So then we'll remove this out. Okay, so guys, I have removed all the screws, so we'll take this out. So guys, this is damaged badly. See, this IC is damaged, it's burned badly, as you can see. So if this IC is damaged, shorted, so naturally these two MOSFET also get shorted. So guys, these two MOSFET are there in channel, and this is a resonant controller, half bridge controller IC. So the number of this IC is I think HR 1000A. See, this is very badly damaged. So what we'll do, we'll replace this IC along with two. Is also SMD also gone. See, SMD transistors. See, diode and transistors. This is NP and PNP transistors. So guys, so we need to very badly shorted. So what we'll do guys, we'll replace this N channel 2 MOSFET IC, and these are the PNP transistors or NPN transistor, whatever. We'll check it out. So then we'll switch it on again. So just keep watching my video guys, we'll start working on this. So first we'll remove this IC, then we'll remove this MOSFET and all the defective parts, small assembly defective parts. We'll take it out step by step and one by one. Just keep watching. You see the it also burn here. So before applying voltage, and fuse also gone. I think fuse is also gone. This is 12 ampere fuse. So guys, we'll work on this now. See guys, very badly damaged. See, so this is a half bridge controller, resonant half bridge controller IC. So this is damaged, shorted already. This is, so because of this, these two MOSFET also shorted. I'll check in front of you, and this transistor also shorted. So this whole circuit we need to check, this whole circuit. Okay, so we'll check the transistors condition, MOSFET condition. We'll check the MOSFET condition. See, we'll check the MOSFET condition. I kept on buzzer range. See shorted. Drain and source is shorted. I mean gate and drain is shorted. See this is also shorted. So guys, see shorted. They badly shorted. See. So this whole area is shorted. So what we will do, we'll take it out 1 2 3 4. So step by step we'll take it out this one and we'll work step by step. So guys, we have removed the MOSFET. See, very badly burned. You can see this two MOSFETs very badly burned. This is 13N50, 13N50, 500 volt, 13 ampere. So we have removed all the defective parts from here. So just we'll clean this one, my friend. So we'll clean this one. So guys, finally we have removed all the defective parts. So there are two N-channel MOSFET and one IC. It's two IC and 8 SMD transistor and 8 SMD resistors, 3 transistor and 2 diodes. So these are the defective parts removed from this one power supply from here. So now we'll fix the new parts. So after that we'll apply input power and we'll check what is the status. So guys, just keep watching my video. So friends, these are the old parts and I got the new parts also with me. See that 2 N-channel MOSFET, 2 IC, 3 transistor, 2 diode and 8 resistors. Okay, so we can now I will fix it the new one. This is the new one and this is the old one. So now we'll fix this all new one in the SMPS board, then we'll check it out. Just keep watching the video guys till the end. So guys, I already replaced all the defective parts. See, this is the old and I already fix the new one. You can see. So I have already fixed it. You can see. Okay guys. So I have fixed two new MOSFET, IC and this IC and all these transistors here, diodes and these transistors. So I have already fixed with the new one. So now what we'll do, we'll apply input power AC source. We'll check the output is working or not. Just keep watching my video till end. So guys, we have replaced all these different time to check now. Okay, we'll apply the power. So see, these are the parts we have replaced. It's all assembly parts. So it's time to check now. Okay guys, so if our power supply is good, Then we'll get LED will on over here. Okay, and we'll check the voltages also. So I'll put it on. Put it on. See guys. So I put it on, power come, see light on here. So we'll check the voltages. See, 31, almost 32 volt DC. Okay, and here 12 volt. So our power supply is good now. So almost 32 volt DC. So it's working now. So you can see the LED glowing over here. See, you can see the LED is glowing. So it means our power supply is good. So we have replaced all these defective parts, plenty of defective parts. See, all new parts I put. So the top is, if you're going to buy new power supply, it won't available the same size which is to be fixed in the light system, and the ampere also different, and the size also matter, so it will not going to fix in the cabinet. So that this is the reason why we have to repair the old one only, so that it can fix properly and very in a neat way, so it should not get short with anything. So this is the reason. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, see you very soon next video. Bye.